Bonjour.
Bonjour,
Comment tu t'appelles?
Sandrine.
Sandrine. How did you find the film today?
Very, very interesting.
Is there anything about the film that will stand out to you?
Yes, details. That movie, I think, is not finished in my mind because I think I'm still thinking about what next. That's what makes it very, very interesting.
That's a powerful statement right there. So, if you had to describe the film in a few words, what words would you put?
The first, interesting.
Yeah.
Secondly, can I say in French?
Yeah, in French is fine. Yeah.
Je dirais, le film, il est très énigmatique. Énigmatique et aussi très passionnant. Voilà.
Okay, there we go, guys. That sounds positive. So I know that's positive.